Hello student, now we will discuss the program called ASCII to BCD value. Here ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. For example, the human will can understand 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 so on like that. But in the electronic communication, if I want to use the numerals it is equivalent to convert into ASCII format. The corresponding ASCII format it will use in the electronic communication purpose. For example, if I want to transmit 0, the ASCII value for 0 is 30. So it will convert 30 into ASCII format and it is used in the electronic communication. Similarly, 1, that is numeral value 1, the equivalent value for numeral value is 31. That is the ASCII value for 1. Similarly, 2, the ASCII equivalent value for 2 is 32. So on like that. So we are going to convert the equivalent value of numerals into ASCII format and we are going to use in the electronic communication. Similarly, for alphabets, for special characters, whenever we are going to use the equivalent value of the ASCII we are going to convert and we are going to use in the electronic communication purpose. Now we will see how to convert the ASCII to BCD format. Now this is my program, that is ASCII to BCD value. Now let us explain step by step in the debug mode. I already written the program. Let me build the program and switch into the debug mode. So now my program I switched into debug mode. Here I am using the value called 4 and 7. The ASCII value for 4 is 34. The ASCII value for 7 is 37. That is ASCII value. Now we are going to convert the ASCII value into a BCD value here. And here in my program I am using the register called accumulator, R1 register and R2 register. And before execution, let us check R1 is 0 value and R2 is 0 value and accumulator is 0 value. So let us debug the program step by step. Now when I execute move a comma hash of 4, I am copying the value 4 into accumulator. So let me execute step by step. See here the value of accumulator, previously it is 0, now it is 34. Why it is 34? The equivalent value of 4 in the ASCII value is 34. I am going to convert into a ASCII to BCD value. So I am storing into the accumulator here. Similarly, the 7 is ASCII value for 7 is 37. I am going to store into the R1 register. So here my program is I need to convert into ASCII to BCD means I have to combine 4 and 7, that is equivalent to I have to get 47 I have to get. That is the ASCII to BCD format here. Now let me execute next instruction. So R1 is 37. Previously R1 is 0. After executing, the value of ASCII value of 7 is 37. It is stored here. So after executing, I need to convert. What is the 34 is the ASCII value for 4 and similarly 37 is the ASCII value for 7 here. So I want to convert this ASCII format into a BCD value here. So finally I have to get 4 and 7, combination of 4 and 7 I have to get, that is totally I have to get 47 here. So now what I will do, I am performing logical AND operation for the lower nibble of the accumulator. So what happens, 34 AND of 0F, so it will perform logical AND operation of 34. So what will happen? 34 logical AND of F is, it will store as a 4 in the accumulator here. See here, logical AND 34 of 0F is nothing but it will store as a 4 here. Now I am going to store the lower nibble into R2 register by executing instruction called move R2, A. And next is I am going to copy the ASCII value of 7, that is 37, into accumulator here. Again what I have to do, I need to perform logical AND operation for the lower nibble, that is a logical AND of A, hash of 0F. Nothing but what will happen, if I perform logical AND of 37, logical AND of 0F, it will store as a 7 in the accumulator here. By executing this one, it will store 07 in the accumulator. So I stored 7 in the accumulator. Now I will copy this accumulator content to a R1 register here by using move R1, A. Next I will copy the 4 into accumulator. The accumulator becomes 4 by executing move A, R2 here. Okay, so here what is 4? So finally I had to get 47 in the accumulator. So here I am performing swap operation. Swap operation nothing but it will exchange the lower nibble into a higher nibble and higher nibble into a lower nibble. Lower nibble is nothing but it is range from, it is bit 0 to bit 3, it will exchange with the bit 4 to bit 7 in the accumulator itself. For example, here bit 0 to bit 3 the value is 4 and bit 4 to bit 7 it is 0. By executing this it will become 40 instead of 04. After execution it will become 40 by executing instruction called swap. Okay, and after that I am performing logical OR operation with the R1 register. So what will happen? 40 logical OR of 7, so it will becomes 47 and it will store 47 value in the accumulator by executing instruction called ORL, A, R1 here. So this is what the BCD value I am converting the ASCII value into a BCD value. So this is my program called ASCII to BCD format, and in the next session we will see next program. Thank you.